Look, so dark over there. To me, it's kind of blurry. To be honest, my final field trip is coming tomorrow. And yes, today is Monday, meaning that it will be Tuesday during Chinese New Year. It's supposed to be our special not working holiday, but we still have one final event to go. Might be recording for too long. Yeah, maybe we will talk to it later. Let's go.
Anong saan nyo dyan? Hindi pa sila sa Aron.
Alright, we're going home. Well, maybe I'll just go ahead and prepare some of the items I need. Okay, everything was prepared. Alright, bye. I'm gonna go sleep. See you guys tomorrow. Your journey ends here. As we know, this will be your last time to ever experience field trip. In the rest of your life, you may do anything you want. And whatever decision you're gonna make, it's up to you. What the heck is that dream? Well, we will eat that later. And this. Okay, basic needs, I guess. This now. They'll drive, but I guess it's worth it. Okay, once again, I'll see you guys at school.
Anong mas pa tayo? Walang sinabi si sir.
Wala pa siyang sinabi. Gotta wait for further announcements because our bus number is not up yet. Dude, I just realized the 7-Eleven is pretty full. Oh yeah, by the way, we were just assigned to be at bus number 31. Last year it was bus number 27, but now it's 31. This will be the last number that we were assigned. Just because we were at the last field trip. But anyway, I already assigned at the window seat, so there's nothing much of a problem. Alright, we are going to the bus that we are originally assigned to. Yeah, we gotta do it pretty early though. That very thing again. Oh my god. Thank you, sir.
Ay, sino ang damitan mo? Bigyan mo.
Okay. We were arrived just in time. Now that we are going, our final journey begin. Kage.
Tapos mga sa bintana.
What is that building?
Bilog kasi ako. Ang dami niya ng kapatid. Sabi ko si Raven. Sabi ko, magpapalong si Raven.
Under construction still. Now we're back to the present. Maps, we are indeed at NLEX.
Sabi mo, makakanta ka. Ilang kayo dyan? Sabi mo, makakanta ka.
Constitution. So doon natin pupuntahan yung kung saan nag-take place yung signing ng Malolos Constitution sa Baras. So mag-count tayo para hindi tayo masyadong mahuli doon sa ating first itinerary. Kasi
Hoy, kakain na.
ayan,
Kain na.
already 45 minutes. Mag-take out, mag-CR, and of course, ingatan na sa okay, nasa nagamit na.
Excuse me. Alright, there goes our stopover. Let's go buy something. I might need to catch up my classmates. Yeah. That's what I was hoping for. Bro, that store unfortunately got closed. Still not open yet. Honestly, I didn't think anything much of it. I was just tagging along. Alright, I gotta save my battery. Departing now after like 40 minutes. That's actually pretty a long time. I mean, a long wait for us. Let's go.
Good.
Entering Balagta Century, I believe.
Yung saan? Ano yung kanina Expressway? Lawrence Luzon Expressway. Ang naman sabi ko, yun ang pangalawa sa pinakamahaba na yung 90 plus kilometer. Ito namang NLEX ay merong 80 plus kilometer. Pero may ongoing project ngayon na, okay, 104 kilometers na ang total nun. So kapag yun ay naging official highway, highest, sa longest highway. Ang longest highway natin ay ang official name ng Boraswing Church ay Our Lady of Mount Carmel. Okay, so way back 50, pero noong 1885 nagkaroon nito ng renovation at noong 1888 formal na kinilala bilang Boraswing Church or dito nilagdaan ang unang konstitusyon, the Malolos Constitution. Siya. Okay, ano nga bang ang Malolos Constitution? Yun ang Malolos Constitution. Sino ang lumang Pilipinas? Sino? Si Emilio Aguinaldo. Okay? Isa pa sa mga naging iconic kung bakit si Manuel Quezon ay nanumpa sa Maynila sa National Museum. Magsaysay, no? Muno ni Emilio Aguinaldo, saan? Sa Malolos. Ano ang pangalan? Academia Intramuros. And then sooner or later,
Habang may yan. Wow.
Alright, we are arrived. That's the first destination.
Pero matagal mata mo. Ayun, no. Okay, mati ka mata mo. Ikaw lang naman din.
Okay, that's Balasawain Church.
Bakit kasi matigailan? Kumakain ka dyan, lagi nagbabalik sa court kung may narumigit. Yung kalbo. Kamukha mo nga doon may sakin eh. Oo. Kumakain yung gato. Earl! Julian pre oh. Sarado. Tamad mo lang. Tumayo lang. Sasabay si Bako. Ha? Eres!
Wow! Still can see it though. Okay, let's go. Balasawain Church. Let's go. It looks damn well furnished. Okay, that almost hit me. Maybe I should be careful. There goes the piano. Why this looks amazing, bro?
Tataya ka man.
Worth every scenery here. Waiting for the second entry.
Wala mo kung mga sa akin. Huwag mo sabihin sa akin, mapay kapag nagawa mo na yung papel.
Okay, that was just experiment.
Yeah, sige po, passes.
Okay. Now we are here. I feel like this is where the Independence Day went.
Sabog ng pawis.
Yeah, I feel like we can't read all of that. It's so dark. Is this an independence? Oh God. Oh. It's American. La República Filipina. It's like a Statue of Liberty. This is the real copy. Oh my God. There's so much going on, honestly. Like this is the Academy. I don't know. That was the real copy. That's the money from the 80s. Oh wait, this is the old map. Evening tribute. The Constitution of Malolos. Make sure we don't touch anything. Kind of a bit. That's the construction.
So, nung nilagda ng Malolos Constitution, tayo pa rin natin ay nasa war against
Thank you for coming. Bye-bye.
For this building. Hey. God damn. That's the freaking heritage. Oh my God. Okay, now we are back to the present. Alright, we are departing quickly because we have to go to the second location. Though the vision is limited. So, it's a bye-bye.
Anak, mga tinapay ng Gardenia. Okay? Klaro po ba?
Yes.
Meron tayong nurses na kasama ha? May nurses po tayong kasama para mag-assist sa atin sa ating mga medical and trauma cases. At yun ba, kapag nandito na tayo, kapag nandun na tayo sa Gardenia. Actually, meron pala tayong discussion pag narating tayo mismo.
Alright, moving on to the next location is Gardenia, which is widely known for making our most popular bread in the Philippines. That's the end of that Skyways line.
Mag-open kaya kayo. Salamat. Magagaling sa
Whoa, what the hell?
Oy, Emel, oh, bye-bye. Nasaan po? Isa dyan, ayan lang.
Wow. The construction is crazy as hell. Wow. Right now. I can sense something beautiful in the distance.
Tagal-tagal na nun eh.
I feel like this may be the route for Gardenia factory. Huh, getting somewhere. God damn, that's so long. I love watching bridges though.
Guys.
30 minutes later. Oh my god, live animals.
Simula sa amin ang mataas.
Wow.
Meron ako niyan. Saka meron pa ako ng sa...
Okay, we're going back to the highway. Moment.
Ito ka mo kay kay Mickey Milan sa kay
Alright, we're now back in the highway. Okay, we're at the longest viaduct. I don't know the name, but I might as well have to search it up on Google later on.
Mga probinsya ay sinailalim sa martial law ni General Ramon Blanco na barangay sa San Fernando sa Pampanga ay lumalahok para saan? Pero, ang tanong, ano nga ba ang pinakaunang shape ng parol? Or ang shape ng Bethlehem? Bakit Bethlehem? Okay, bakit Bethlehem? Kasi yun ang naging pagkadating nila ng San Fernando sa Pampanga, ang ibang mga bihag ay isinakay sa Tusino. Very good. Okay. So in-apply na yun. And then later on, ito na, nag-boom na. Nag-boom na ang pink. Okay, ganito kasi yan. Si Aling Lucin kasi nagtayo siya ng karinderya sa harap ng isang train station. Ito yung paligid katulad ng suka, paminta, sili.
Approaching Clark Airport. Okay. We are right.
Sino tayo eh? Nakakamiss po.
Bro, that's so high up. What the hell?
Bawat kumain ako ng cheese. Oo. Magiging lahat ako ipapensin yan.
Hoy. Hihingi muna ako. Hihingi ka dun sa natin.
Tayo na natin ang ano natin.
Switzerland.
Ay, sama lang. Dito may iwan dito. Ikaw na lang sa akin sa bag.
Gago ko, pinahin mo nga rin ako. Balik na lang dyan.
Ito nga profile video.
Ano?
Hindi ka mag-aalis sa lupa. Lagi pa ito nito, hindi iwan talaga.
This is a reference of if you do this to me, I will switch to Filipino and became a karaoke so by Italian admin.
Oh my God! No
My prediction is real.
Nais malaman, maaari bang magtanong? Alam mo
Yeah, literally 2 hours. Already ate lunch, so at let's go. Ah. Well, as figured, it smells pretty delicious. Fall in line.
Akala ko din kakaligtan natin.
There goes the other grades. Alright, boys. Here we come. Again.
Naka-aircon na ako.
What the heck? Somebody fell the cell phone.
May palam. Ano to sir? May palam. Play lang.
This we do got 1 bread for free.
Lalagay.
Uy, di ba?
Okay, we are going to depart quickly because we will need to catch up with those other buses to reach the final destination.
Yung garden. So as you arrive dun sa loob, wala nang mga tour guides, wala nang nag-discuss, wala na. dito sa Pampanga, particular dito sa Mabalacan, okay, we are now heading to the two museums na pupuntahan natin. So, na makapagtrabaho bilang clerk sa Bureau of Lands na husay na okay, so nag-upgrade siya mismo ng konti sa kanyang buhay. Okay, si Gustavo Macapagal po ay naging representative ng first district ng Pampanga, yung mga ay hirap na mamamayan sa kamay. Pinagpatuloy din niya makikipagkaibigan, pinagpatuloy niya rin ang makikipagkaibigan sa ibang mga bansa tulad ng mga close. Sabi ng Bartang Nature siya ay pinaka-highest na percentage sa tumulong sa may hirap. Tama? Katulad ng sabi ko kanina, ay interes ang kanyang borda sa pagsusulat 41 yung kanyang mga nasusulat na ito.
Let's go.
Okay, si Gustavo Macapagal po ay ganyan na siya. So pagbilis na tayo, oras natin ay 1 p.m. So
MacArthur Highway. What?
Wala nang instructions, wala nang reactions. By 4? Okay. Later on charge natin na kailangan 9 p.m. nandun na kayo sa bus. Nandito na kayo sa bus. So malayo na yung check lang sa ang gamit.
Sabi ko lang
See you. Ito pinapala sa pasensya na po kayo. Maninitig kayo sa akin.
For now on, I'm not gonna record the highway video just to save some battery. Okay, once again, it really hits different when you're about to see this in person. I mean, not just that, but from the other sceneries that you will definitely get to see. In person is definitely the best. It's pretty lame when you just gotta see it in digital. If it's quiet, then it doesn't matter to me because I need to stay quiet. That's probably Pradera theme park. Maybe that's where we're gonna go later.
Hindi Pradero.
Alright, we arrived at this place last time when we're at the second field trip. I know what was gonna happen because we've already entered this before. Oh yeah. My power bank is completely died out and I'm only 60% left. That's where I'm gonna start conserving my battery because this place is absolutely really far from my home. Oh my god, that bridge is so long. What the heck? Alright, we arrived at the third destination. I don't know what it is, but we will wait.
Yung babae po ng bababa, sumunod ng lalaki, 1-9 na lang po kayo. At reminders po, wala po magpapa ng food and drinks, walang maghahawak ng kahit na ano sa loob ng museum.
falling in line as always. This is more like not an assemble.
Ha? Wala. Hindi ko napansin si Ben.
Oh yeah, I guess it's actually pretty small.
Move forward pa po. Sige, move forward pa. Move forward. Compress tayo. Compress po ng pila. Yung kayo dito. Okay, so you have 15 minutes. Here. Okay?
Yan. Diyos dado makapal. Oh, that almost got tricked. Wait, it's actually him. 200 pesos. Okay, due to obstruction, I don't think I can read all of this. The one who was responsible for Independence Day. Let's go.
Gabayanin niya. Finish na ako.
All those signatures. Thanks. But I can't read all of that.
May dalawa ba kayo kulang no? Wala mo nagbababa unless merong instruction. At klaro, walang magkakawak ng kahit na ano sa loob ng museum, walang flash.
In a short amount of time, we are already arrived. It's like 1 minute later. Seems quiet. The last museum we are going to, Jose Bilingad Museum.
Sira camera ko, boss. Kamayo, kumagigit dyan.
What? Ako din. Okay, mauna na ako. Let's go inside.
Likod na lang yung iba.
We're watching a short film, so stop recording first.
Tigando nyo nga sa makmak. Pagdo ang makmak.
Flash photography, bus number 26 sa...
The history. Watch your step. Finish. And holy moly. Look at that. Basa Regional.
Right, bus number 26, listen to ma'am.
We only have limited time only po. So, para makapag-tuloy po tayo sa lecture niya, we have only less than 5 minutes po on. So, each gallery, nakikita po namin na fiction na lang po tayo para makapag-tuloy po sa lecture. Thank you po.
He was the survivor of Death March from Bataan. God damn. Oh, see, he was a legend. And that was the attire.
Ayos na yan. Basta tigang mo yun.
Last 3 minutes na lang po tayo sa lecture niya.
David.
Okay. Last two galleries to look at. We only have a little bit of time. Wow. The martial law. In the Philippines, we called it Batas Militar. Yes. Okay. Thanks. Okay, unfortunately the time is up. We should go back immediately now. Alright, let's go back. We are going to move on to the last destination. And I'll reveal it once we arrive. Hello.
Ay, hindi. Solid cheese daw.
The time was a little bit longer than I was expecting. Yeah, I'm expecting that we will be arrived on the final destination on 3:15 p.m. So we're a little bit late for that.
Ayan, bus number 26, go to your rest. Ang mga pagtutuloy. Okay. So we are now heading toward the itinerary. This is the final of your tour. Okay, reminders for Pradera Verde. Bawal ang outside. Claro?
Vector,
Maliwanag yan na.
might as well have to sleep for now.
May bayad pa daw?
Alright. The final destination. Pradera Dream. Okay, excuse me. Alright. The final destination is called Pradera Theme Park. Yes. This is another amusement park. Pretty different than the Enchanted Kingdom, if you ask me. Alright, let's cut to the following in line. What is bands? If we lose, we will never get it back. I can just record this for proof, in case if it's lost. We're not going out yet, so I guess we just have to insert this in.
Uy, kugot.
Let's go.
Ngayon yung ano, kilos ng kamay ko. Pag malapit ko yun naman, ito pala yung
It's like a culture. It's like a nature. I mean, after all, it's called Pradera Island. Record all of them. All because of the battery limit.
Hintay natin sila.
Sometime later, my pencil got confiscated. Yeah. Oh my god! Here it is. Pradera Theme Park. Look. Fireworks display soon. Oh my god! This is for the Valentines. Well, I don't have anything. Look at it. Oh my god. This sure feels non-crowded compared to the Enchanted Kingdom. Oh yeah, obviously, I went here for the first time. Nah, I won't.
Yan, hindi ka talaga malalaglag.
Yeah, alam ko mahaba pila naman yan anyway. Worth every recording moment. Just like Enchanted Kingdom. Okay. We're gonna ride the ferry later on. If we save enough data, to be honest. I can't lie, their carousel is a little bit smaller. Wow! I guess that's not that high. Oh, it's Diwata Towers. Okay. Ooh. Invented by the year of the ox girl. I think I wanted to be childish for a moment here. Wahahaha. I can do whatever I want. I mean, I could ride a roller coaster if possible, but I think that you're not allowed to record. Does my recording improve? Let me know. Never mind. I guess that was just a regional moment. This is for the dining.
Sinubuan ng alay.
2 vloggers. Haha. Yeah, we don't have to. Oh boy. Okay, I know what they're doing. They're gonna ride the roller coaster. I can see that. It's pretty terrifying. Well, what else? I hope I didn't get wet if I'm going to ride that. Okay, there they are. There's some safety measures, so I don't think we are safe. Exploration pa.
Por ka lang ata, di ka pwede to. Ay,
What?
yan ata yun yung ano. Yung
The splash. Mahaba din pila. Pangay.
Kaya nga, ikot lang muna tayo.
Oh, ikot muna bago tayo magano.
Familiarize muna natin yung lugar.
Oh.
Baka mamaya maligo tayo.
Another bridge. Water. Hey guys, instead of touching grass, we wanna touch water. We entered Arayat town. There goes the fair rides. Yeah, there goes the fair rides. Okay, I will want to see their face though.
Tingnan muna natin natin pananaga na ito.
Okay. Lalangoy ka, lalangoy ka. Lalangoy ka.
Saka mo.
No, may dala siyang life vest. Ah. We wanted to explore it all before we had some fun. Because we wanted to give you guys a little bit of a tour. There's so much to explore here. And there's a basketball. Up. Okay, that's the Vikings. I already ride that before. So, we don't need to. I don't feel that it's extreme. Okay guys, at this point, I don't even need to worry about low battery shit. I'll just have to pick on my pace. Duyan. Okay, I do feel like that's another level of Vikings. Okay, in front of us is the volcano island. But there's so much to explore yet. We still have to explore. Oh my god! Okay. Bro, we're already 16 years old. We can enter. And of course, we don't need to fall in line. Okay, let's go. Yeah.
Wala ko mamaya bang gabi yung ano natin, katulad ng Subic.
Bro, because it's day, we are literally entering this place in the wrong way. Mind. Okay, maybe I may have been able to record this, but I do hope that my phone won't fall off for that. Okay, moving with the three boys. We are going. We are glad that we are going to that house in evening. Let's go to exit and look at this beautiful volcano. What? Back on the right track. The scary rides are the longest. Fall in line share.
Kumayo dyan ka. Videoan kita.
Oh yeah, mahaba pila.
Guys, yun na yung Vikings. Oh, tignan mo nagpapakita.
Bli. Nasakay ka naman Vikings eh. Dati pa. Okay, more like a sci-fi station. Yeah, more like maglalas siya ng matagal. Holy fudge. Ito din yung isang aeroplano, yung iikot ka ng 360 degrees. Climbing. Parang ano ka?
Climbing.
Climbing. Fuck!
Climbing naman.
Pangit ang ano ko.
Okay lang yan.
I wanna die. Pwede to? Ano gusto mo mauna?
Wait lang, tingnan.
Parkour or swing? Okay.
Ayan na, ikot ko sila. Kung kailangan mo kumapit.
Wah! Natapon ka cellphone. There goes the fountain show. Oh my god. Okay, bye. I gotta stop hiding my own feelings here. I really wanted to say the truth about it, about the video I'm talking about. And yes, it's my last time ever to experience field trip. But it wasn't just that. I didn't want to feel something that I've already experienced before. Like, even though I already made 3 parts including this, I'm still hiding. Oh dang. At least they didn't notice me. Okay. I just wanted to experience something different. Sorry if this is a long talk, but you know what, I'm just gonna say it. You see, there's a girl that oh yeah, the moment I finished recording this video, I only got 18%. Yeah, this seems tasty, honestly. Hey guys, if you wanted to see the amusement park at night, here's what it looks like. Full of lights, really. Alright, let's move out on the fireworks show.
Kung pansin mo pero mahilig mga asar yan si Sario. Promise ko sa'yo. Maliban lang sa...
A wonderful magic show. One might gonna fall. It's just clouds. I can see the visuals. I could literally waste my battery for this. Accidentally hit my record. Oh god, it's starting to splash on us. Ah, the fog. It's hitting us. It's basically a water fountain show. Bro, I literally thought it's over, but no.
Nag-horror house kami na lang.
Yun eh. Yun na yun?
Drama, trauma.
My god, this water fountain show.
Bakit, Chica?
That's absolutely crazy. Oh wow,
Pampanga! Pampanga!
Pampanga for the win. I don't think I can even reach there on time. It's already time. It's 8:30. I was just watching the show. And more importantly, you see, there's a girl that I'd always admire too. For 3 years, But despite this, I feel like I'm being left behind. So that's why I end up confessing to her during that night. In her response, she Bro! I can't lie. The moment I saw the fireworks, I immediately recorded this. Ah. Sige, maganda kayo dito. Hey guys, the moment you saw this is the end of field trip. Oh my god, I'm glad it started early. I only have like 7% remaining. I could watch this until the end. I'm going to sacrifice my battery. I'm out of breath. It's getting more intense! Oh my god! Wait, is it over? There goes the mascots. That shadow over there is the volcano.
Sana panoorin mo, kasama ka na siya. Sa nga lang, sinira mo tsansa mo.
Tapos na.
Okay lang yan.
I guess these mascots are wishing us farewell. Bye!
Papay na ako.
Salamat nga, naghintay pa sila for fireworks. Kasi best experience talaga kapag nasa loob ka. Okay. The amusement park is officially closing,
Sundan lang yun, sundan.
which again, it marks as the end of field trip. With only 5% of my phone left, I can say that the journey is already over. And I don't even need to record about myself going home.
Video call kami kanina.
Because it's more like a memory itself.
Sawing!
I should take it from here.
Ika naman yung bus dito.
Sometime later, we just found it. Bus 26. Woo! Let's go. Ah. Man, about another chance, if it's possible.
Wait lang kami. Sino yung chat?
Let's go.
Hindi na ba online si Mama Magda?
Modular tayo buhat. Sa yard.
Okay, only limited edition I see.
Uy, pumesto na kayo pag matutulog kayo. Hindi pa parang kaya.
Alright, bus number 22. By the way, I'm going to
The
ask
best.
you first. How was your last itinerary? How was Pradera?
Ganda ng Vikings.
Maswerte kayo kung hindi katulad ng Enchanted Kingdom or siyempre ko ng Enchanted Kingdom. J Castles. Nakapunta na ka ng J Castles sa Enchanted Kingdom. No? Nilinis na po yan. Nilinis na po ni Coach Captain yan. So, ibig sabihin, wala na pong magkakalat. Ganyan din dapat kalinis bago tayo umalis ng ating bus. Okay, so, later on, okay, later nyo, laro.
Perfecto. Wala na ang boses.
Nakapag-check in tayo. And, okay, palakpakan nyo naman sarili nyo for Isabel Bulkan. Of course, don't forget to thank those people na naging way para maging posible itong tour, educational tour nyo today. Okay, so,
Thank you, Lord.
thank you classmates and schoolmates.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you teachers. Okay, enjoy lang natin. Okay? So, klaro po ba? And
Perfecto.
of course, ako po, si Kuya Mark, signing off as your tour guide. Maraming salamat po sa pag-follow ng instructions natin. No, mag-iingat po kayo pag-uwi later on. Okay? Maging alisto, maging alerto sa pag-uwi ninyo. Kasi malalim na ang gabi, for sure. Pagdating nyo dun. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Okay po. Okay, so meron pa kayong activity. And ipapasign daw si ma'am sa inyo. So, get ready. Ilabas niyo ang inyong pens.
Hello. We're still at the NLEX. It's been like 10:40 p.m. now. And we're at 1 hour and 40 minutes in the road. I'll just update for some next time. In the meantime, I still have to save the battery. I have like 4% remaining on my cell phone. Okay, is it working? Okay. Alright, for what I've said, she ended up reject me. I mean, that's funny, right? Because I didn't get to know her properly after 3 years. Seems like it's always right, but to me it's not, because it's my first time ever to express my feelings. But at least she was thankful for being brave enough for me to speak up the truth. Well, at least I already know about the responses over as things My mind is not that heavy to think anymore. At least I am thinking normally, just like the normal people does. So, in the end, did I really, really improve myself? Maybe 15 minutes later, we just reach here. We've reached the end of NLEX. And now we're back to EDSA. Alright, the lights are back on. We're almost there. Just a little bit closer. And now we are back to where we started. This is our drop point. Okay, we should prepare for now. Okay, let's go. From a moment this recording started, I only got 1%. Meaning this phone could die at any moment. I'm just informing this because I just want to show you how I managed to go home safely. Well, unfortunately it won't happen. Okay. I guess transition. We're back. So, is it good? Yeah. I love the last field trip. Probably one of the best ever. But, in conclusion, did I improve myself?